with another video, man. You already know what it is, aka the only one and only. It's your boy 19, man. It's your boy 19, man. Back with another YouTube video, man. Today's something a little different. I'm gonna tell y'all boys, I'm gonna put y'all boys on how to get the little 2-strand twist with dread, DDG hairstyle. I know it's something different from my other videos, I know, but I want to put y'all boys on because I rock with y'all boys, and we finna get into this little procedure, man. I know my hair looking a little messy right now. Don't pay no mind to it, but you know, nigga just got a haircut, looking fresh, got a haircut, got all prepped up. I'm be telling y'all little procedures, a little tutorial on how all this go, what you need. So I'm gonna tell y'all boys what I use. So the locking gel I use is this right here. You can see it, let it focus. Merge lock gel. This is the best lock gel. I think y'all should use it. It worked for me. I've been starting off my dreads like this, using this, and it's not focusing. But yeah, I've been starting off with this. These is what I started my dreads off with. I only use this. This is the only thing I use. So I prefer y'all use this. Only $4 at the little hair salon place to get it. It's $4. So yeah, I use this. I'm gonna moisturize my hair first, get it like a little wet, and then get straight to the process. Alright, so I know y'all can't see my face. I'm looking like a mop head right now. But I just moisturize my hair a little bit, wet it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? And dried it up. It's a little damp right now, but it's all good. That's how you want it. So yeah, now it's a little damp. I'm just put it in a little ponytail to get straight to the process with my hair tie. Alright, so I know it's looking a little weird. I just tied up my hair. The back. I got the back tied up like this because I'm gonna just do my front parts first. I'm not gonna do half and half. I just don't do that. That's just me. But I prefer y'all just do your front first, of course, because like, why would you do your back? Kind of dumb. But yeah, I got my front. I know y'all finna roast me again. Yeah, just roast me. I don't care. Just this. Alright, so yeah. Now I'm finna get into the process. The thing I'm gonna do, since they in my face like this, I'm finna back them up like that because my hair is so long. And now we're gonna get one strand right here, another strand right here. Got the locking gel. Don't drown your finger. Just get like a little bit. I got like this much. Put it on the root, right on the root. Get all the part that's not dreaded up. Make sure this is separated. Make sure there's no extra strands you pulling. So twist that up. Twist it up. Mind you, I don't use clips. I don't use clips, so I gotta hold this. Put some on here. I'm gonna twist that. Keep twisting it. There you go, my way. So boom. Twist the both of these. Now what you want to do, you want to grab both of the strands, put it this way, it's this way. So grab them, put them this way. keep going, keep twisting, keep twisting. The more twist you do on the strand, the more curly it's gonna be when you take it out. So I think that's what I do, just so I can get the curly effect afterwards. So keep twisting, keep twisting. And boom, got your first twist out the way. I do need a rubber band. I'm gonna get my rubber bands right now. Alright, so I got my rubber bands right here. I'm gonna put it on. What you wanna do, put the rubber band at like the end of it, end of the dress. And then you wanna go twist it, put it on there tighter. You don't have to twist it that much, put that much on it. Just make sure it's tight enough that it will stay. I'm gonna put like 5 on here. Right, boom. But yeah, I got the first twist out the way. So yeah, now I'm gonna do the rest of this half. Then I'm gonna do this half and come back to y'all boys.
2 hours later.
Alright, y'all boys. It did take some time. It did take a lot of time. I got the front area done, you see. I didn't do a half and half. I told you I was just doing the whole front part first. But yeah, I got all that done. I got all my rubber bands in tight and neat. Make sure you have your rubber bands in tight and neat and stay. So yeah, I got all that done. All I got left is the back area. You see, the back area just needs to be done. And then that's gonna be the end. This does take a lot of time. It does take a lot of time. Y'all just gotta, you know, get used to it. But you'll get better as much as you do it in the future. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all updated when I'm finished with the back area. Yeah. So yeah, now today is the next day. It did take me all night to finish my 2 strands. Finish the back. I'm gonna give y'all a little 360. Finished all that, you know what I'm saying? Now, if y'all want to do the little DDG hairstyle, the little style, get your hair tie, get one side of your hair, like make sure it's like a little parted. Get one side of your hair, push it all the way back, and then you're just gonna tie that up. Like so. Tie it up like these. Got all this hanging out, and then the whole side is just back in a ponytail. That's really all you gotta do. I mean, there's other styles you could do with your hair tie with this style. There's many styles you could do, but this style is the DDG style, you know what I'm saying? Pretty easy, pretty simple. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want any other videos like this with hairstyles, with dreads, any type like that, just comment down below to let me know. And yeah, this is the tutorial, man. Thank y'all for watching. Keep going.
On my knees, ask God for better days. Yeah, I know popping these pills will temporarily take this pain away. Yeah. Chopper take his soul and leave his body in the street. Still got open cases, so my word choice is discreet. She want a real